Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Alright guys, after a textbook retest of the key 103.4K support zone earlier today, Bitcoin snapped back with a sharp 2% surge, breaking past 105K and setting fresh local highs. This move was well within expectations, considering my adjusted entry price around the mid-103,000 range, which positioned my trades for optimal profitability. Cross-checking my strategy, I noticed a confluence of exit signals flashing across multiple timeframes: 8-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour, and 2 hours, all clustering just above 105,000. The significance? It confirmed that liquidity was stacking up at these levels, making it a prime area for partial profit taking. Most of my initial entries on this move were placed back in mid-January, when Bitcoin was still grinding below 105,000 under the descending trend line, ultimately dipping to 101,000 before reclaiming momentum. To ensure I locked in gains without overexposing myself to potential retracements, I set conditional take-profit orders for 50% of my position at 105,000, those already triggered. Now, with price consolidating around this level, the next phase becomes critical. Looking at liquidity heat maps, the 3-day chart reveals a dense hot pocket starting at 105.6K, stretching all the way up to 106.7K, with the most aggressive short liquidation clusters sitting at 105.7K. But the real pressure point? The 1-week liquidation heat map exposes a far more significant liquidation target zone between 107,000 and 109,000, where late shorts have piled in, making this the magnet for market makers. Historically, when leverage builds up like this, Bitcoin tends to make a decisive move to flush liquidity before the next structural shift. Simply put, a bigger pump is on the table. Meanwhile, in macro news, the Czech Central Bank is preparing to vote tomorrow on a potential €7 billion Bitcoin investment, another institutional shift that could impact sentiment. I'll be keeping you updated daily. For real-time insights and trade setups, join the free Discord. Tap that like button if this analysis added value. It's free and helps massively. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay ahead of the market. And see you in the next one.